Dear children, young people, educators, lay men and women, brothers, and all Marists. This June, in our General House in Rome, we will celebrate the third assembly of the Marist International Solidarity Network. This meeting is intended to be a time to learn together, to evaluate the work we've been doing as an institute, and to dream about the future of solidarity in the Marist world. In 2024, we remember the 200th anniversary of the beginning of the construction of our house at the Hermitage. 200 years of our mother house, 200 years of the cradle of the Institute, 200 years of Marist solidarity. We invite you all to feel part of this event. We invite you to pray for the most needy people in our world, to pray for our works that hope to respond to their desires, to pray for Marist solidarity so that it may continue to be, as it has always been, a prophetic voice that denounces the injustices of our world and a helping hand for the most vulnerable. We invite you to be, as the House of the Hermitage was, a cradle of solidarity for our world. Best regards.